How to send Starbucks gift card through email. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily send a Starbucks gift card through email. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up a browser on your phone and search for starbucks.com/card. Now once you're on the starbucks.com/card website, here you will see many types of cards. So you have to choose from here what type of card you want. And after selecting, tap on it, and here you have to fill in some details. So first is select gift card amount. So tap on it to select. You can select $10, $25, or if you want to set a custom amount, you can tap on custom amount and enter here the custom amount, and then here you have to enter the recipient's name and then recipient's email, and then here you have to enter sender's name, that is your name, and your email, and then here if you want you can add a message, and after filling in all these details, tap on checkout. And then if you have account, you can tap on sign in and sign in with your Starbucks account. If you want to continue as guest, you can tap on continue as guest and continue. And then here you will get the option to select payment method. So you have to tap on here, and it is only add credit card option available, so I'm going to select that. And then here you will see your gift card amount, and then you have to tap on continue. And then here write your name on card, card number, expiration date, month, here year, security code, and then here you have to fill this billing information, your first name, last name, address line, and then city, state, zip code, phone number. And after entering all these details, you have to tap on continue. So I don't want to send anyone gift card, so I will not continue. So you can continue and continue with the payment process, and your gift card will be sent through email. And so this is how you can send Starbucks gift card through email. Thanks for watching.